Rain, rain, go away, drifted by, turning silver beneath the sky. Drops transform to shining dew, sparkling softly, fresh and new. Flowers opened wide to drink, bowed in thanks with every blink. Children played in glowing mist, moonbeams shining as they kissed. The rainy clouds went soft and bright, changing gloom to gentle light. Dewy silver felt just right. Rain, rain, go away, drifted by, turning silver beneath the sky. Drops transform to shining dew, sparkling softly, fresh and new. Flowers opened wide to drink, bowed in thanks with every blink. Children played in glowing mist, moonbeams shining as they kissed. The rainy clouds went soft and bright, changing gloom to gentle light. Dewy silver felt just right. Old MacDonald built with cheer, windmill cottage rising near. Spinning blades in morning light, turning gently day and night. Birds flew round in happy loops, dancing high in lively swoops. Animals gathered one and all, watching windmill shadows fall. Warm winds hummed a cozy tune, soft and steady night and noon. Windmill cottage shone like June. Old MacDonald built with cheer, windmill cottage rising near. Spinning blades in morning light, turning gently day and night. Birds flew round in happy loops, dancing high in lively swoops. Animals gathered one and all, watching windmill shadows fall. Warm winds hummed a cozy tune, soft and steady night and noon. Windmill cottage shone like June. Black sheep shared his wool with care. Soft star wool was floating there. Shining fibers white and gold, warm and gentle to behold. Children shaped it into dreams. Cloud-like blankets, glowing seams. Stars above began to gleam, joining in the cozy theme. Every stitch held stardust light, soft and glowing through the night. Star wool made the world feel bright. Black sheep shared his wool with care. Soft star wool was floating there. Shining fibers white and gold, warm and gentle to behold. Children shaped it into dreams. Cloud-like blankets, glowing seams. Stars above began to gleam, joining in the cozy theme. Every stitch held stardust light, soft and glowing through the night. Star wool made the world feel bright. Bus rolled softly down the lane into Harmony Woods again. Birds sang songs in gentle streams, filling air with forest dreams. Trees swayed rightly in the breeze, music drifting through the leaves. Children hummed and tapped along, joining in the woodland song. Every path held melody, flowing warm and peacefully. Harmony Wood sang joyfully. Bus rolled softly down the lane into Harmony Woods again. Birds sang songs in gentle streams, filling air with forest streams. Trees swayed rightly in the breeze, music drifting through the leaves. Children hummed and tapped along, joining in the woodland song. Every path held melody, flowing warm and peacefully. Harmony Wood sang joyfully. Little boat drifted with the tide, reaching whispering shore with pride. Ocean breeze hummed gentle songs, guiding travelers along. Sand glowed softly in the night, moonbeams painting silver light. Seashells whispered tales of old, stories shining bright and bold. Every wave spoke soft and sweet, dancing lightly at their feet. Whispering shore was pure retreat. Little boat drifted with the tide, reaching whispering shore with pride. Ocean breeze hummed gentle songs, guiding travelers along. Sand glowed softly in the night, moonbeams painting silver light. Seashells whispered tales of old, stories shining bright and bold. Every wave spoke soft and sweet, dancing lightly at their feet. Whispering shore was pure retreat. Little Bo Peep had wool to spare, so she built a garden with gentle care. Soft wool hedges lined each way, fluffy paths for lambs at play. Warm wool blossoms bloom so bright, glowing softly in the morning light. Tiny sheep danced round the trees, swaying gently in the breeze. Every corner warm and sweet, made a place for tired feet. Cozy wool garden felt complete. Little Bo Peep had wool to spare, so she built a garden with gentle care. Soft wool hedges lined each way, fluffy paths for lambs at play. Warm wool blossoms bloom so bright, glowing softly in the morning light. Tiny sheep danced round the trees, swaying gently in the breeze. Every corner warm and sweet, made a place for tired feet. Cozy wool garden felt complete. Hey diddle diddle, look to the sky, with a bright sky lute held up high. Moonbeam shimmered on every string, making magic in every ring. Stars leaned close to hear the tune, singing softly with the moon. Clouds began to sway in time, drifting gently to the rhyme. Music sparkled through the gentle light. Bright sky loop played pure delight. Hey diddle diddle, look to the sky, with a bright sky lute held up high. Moonbeam shimmered on every string, making magic in every ring. Stars leaned close to hear the tune, singing softly with the moon. Clouds began to sway in time, drifting gently to the rhyme. Music sparkled through the night, begging skies in gentle light. Bright sky loop. Three blind mice set out one day into Cheddar Trail Forest far away. Cheese trees towered golden and tall, casting shadows that danced on the wall. Crunchy crumbs lined every track, echoing softly as they walked back. Squeaks of wonder filled the air, magic drifting everywhere. They followed glowing trails of cheese, wandering through the forest with ease. Cheddar Trail Forest was a place to please. Three blind mice set out one day into Cheddar Trail Forest far away. Cheese trees towered golden and tall, casting shadows that danced on the wall. Crunchy crumbs lined every track, echoing softly as they walked back. Squeaks of wonder filled the air, magic drifting everywhere. They followed glowing trails of cheese, wandering through the forest with ease. Cheddar Trail Forest was a place to please. Muffin Man kneaded dough so sweet, building a cottage made of treats. Warm sugar walls with candy trim, soft frosting edges neat and slim. Smells of cinnamon filled the air, inviting children everywhere. Caramel windows glowed with light, shining warmly through the night. Every room a sugary delight, sprinkled magic pure and white. Warm sugar cottage fed just right. Muffin Man kneaded dough so sweet, building a cottage made of treats. Warm sugar walls with candy trim, soft frosting edges neat and slim. Smells of cinnamon filled the air, inviting children everywhere. Caramel windows glowed with light, shining warmly through the night. Every room a sugary delight, sprinkled magic pure and white. Warm sugar cottage fed just right. Mary planted seeds with care, sparkle, bloom, flowers soon grew there. Petals shining pink and blue, glittering brightly with morning dew. Bees danced lightly as they glowed, following the silver road. Children wandered garden ways, lost in light's enchanted haze. Magic shimmered in every bloom, chasing away all hint of gloom. Sparkle blooms lit up the room. Mary planted seeds with care, sparkle, bloom, flowers soon grew there. Petals shining pink and blue, glittering brightly with morning dew. Bees danced lightly as they glowed, following the silver road. Children wandered garden ways. Weasel danced with lively cheer, meadow market crowd drew near. Tambourines rang soft and sweet, keeping rhythm with his feet. Bunnies bounced in happy time, joining in the merry rhyme. Lanterns twinkled overhead, colorful ribbons widely spread. Children clapped to every beat, laughing bright on grassy street. Meadow market crowd drum tune. Weasel danced with lively cheer, meadow market crowd drew near. Tambourines rang soft and sweet, keeping rhythm with his feet. Bunnies bounced in happy time, joining in the merry rhyme. Lanterns twinkled overhead, colorful ribbons widely spread. Children clapped to every beat, laughing bright on grassy street. Meadow market crowd drummed here. Ten in the bed drifted slow down soft sky road where dream winds blow. Clouds beneath them puffed and rolled, warm and gentle, never cold. Starlight sparkled overhead, guiding all who softly tread. Feathers floated through the night, glowing in the moon's soft light. Every dream was calm and sweet, carried by the clouds' soft beat. Soft sky road felt pure and mild. Ten in the bed drifted slow down soft sky road where dream winds blow. Clouds beneath them puffed and rolled, warm and gentle, never cold. Starlight sparkled overhead, guiding all who softly tread. Feathers floated through the night, glowing in the moon's soft light. Every dream was calm and sweet, carried by the clouds' soft beat. Soft sky road felt pure and mild. The Duke rode high in sky so blue, on a cloud carriage soft as dew. Winds hummed gently in his ear, filling skyland far and near. Mountains shimmered down below, bathed in evening's twilight glow. Children waved from hills afar, cheering loud to greet his star. Every breeze was calm and bright, carrying joy through day and night. Cloud carriage soared in gentle light. The Duke rode high in sky so blue, on a cloud carriage soft as dew. Winds hummed gently in his ear, filling skyland far and near. Mountains shimmered down below, bathed in evening's twilight glow. Children waved from hills afar, cheering loud to greet his star. Every breeze was calm and bright, carrying joy through day and night. Cloud carriage soared in gentle light. Jack Horner stirred a berry blend, warm and sweet from end to end. Sun pie crust with golden gleam sparkled like a summer dream. Berries glowed with juicy cheer, filling hearts both far and near. Children lined up full of smiles, waiting down the pie shop aisles. One small bite brought joy so high, bright as sunlight in the sky. Sun-kai made the day fly by. Jack Horner stirred a berry blend, warm and sweet from end to end. Sun pie crust with golden gleam sparkled like a summer dream. Berries glowed with juicy cheer, filling hearts both far and near. Children lined up full of smiles, waiting down the pie shop aisles. One small bite brought joy so high, bright as sunlight in the sky. Sun-kai made the day fly by. Mouse climbed high with tiny feet, following a ticking beat. Glow clock gate stood shining bright, bathed in silver moonlit light. Ears turned softly, smooth and slow, casting shadows in a glow. Mouse peeked through the glowing door, hearing whispers more and more. Magic drifted through the air, calling gently, warm and fair. Glow clock gate, let anywhere. Mouse climbed high with tiny feet, following a ticking beat. Glow clock gate stood shining bright, bathed in silver moonlit light. Ears turned softly, smooth and slow, casting shadows in a glow. Mouse peeked through the glowing door, hearing whispers more and more. Magic drifted through the air, calling gently, warm and fair. Glow clock gate, let anywhere. Wheels on the bus went rolling slow through lavender fields with gentle glow. Flowers swayed as tires passed by, soft aromas reached the sky. Children laughed and waved their hands, floating gently over the lands. Every petal danced in tune, magic shining under the moon. Bus rolled softly, full of cheer, every stop a moment dear. Lavender fields glimmered near. Wheels on the bus went rolling slow through lavender fields with gentle glow. Flowers swayed as tires passed by, soft aromas reached the sky. Children laughed and waved their hands, floating gently over the lands. Every petal danced in tune, magic shining under the moon. Bus rolled softly, full of cheer, every stop a moment dear. Lavender fields glimmered near. Spider climbed the tall star vine, glittering brightly as it twined. Moonlight shimmered on each thread, sparkling lights above their head. Children cheered and watched with glee, stars above danced endlessly. Every climb a joyful flight, magic glowed soft through the night. Tiny legs moved fast and true, glittered web of silver hue. Snavu sparkled through and through. Spider climbed the tall star vine, glittering neatly as it twined. Moonlight shimmered on each thread, sparkling lights above their head. Children cheered and watched with glee. Stars above danced endlessly. Every climb a joyful flight. Magic glowed soft through the night. Tiny legs moved fast and true, glittered web of silver hue. Starful sparkled through and through. Mary led her lamb along, painting flower meadow path with song. Colors twinkled on the ground, magic petals all around. Butterflies dance through the light. Bees hum softly in their flight. Children followed brush in hand, helping make the path so grand. Every stroke a sparkling cheer, joy and laughter far and near. Meadow path glowed bright and clear. Itsy Bitsy Spider spun with grace. Itsy Bitsy Spider spun with grace, weaving sunlight into lace. Spiral path of golden thread glistened soft as breezes spread. Forest creatures came to see spiders' glowing tapestry. Sunbeams dance from line to line, making patterns bright and fine. Spider's heart was filled with cheer as friends gathered far and near. Sunlit path shone crystal clear. Itsy Bitsy Spider spun with grace. Itsy Bitsy Spider spun with grace, weaving sunlight into lace. Spiral path of golden thread glistened soft as breezes spread. Forest creatures came to see spiders' glowing tapestry. Sunbeams dance from line to line, making patterns bright and fine. Spider's heart was filled with cheer as friends gathered far and near. Sunlit path shone crystal clear. London Bridge transformed one day, crystal path in soft array. Shining arches glowing clear, sparkling lights from far and near. Children walked with careful feet, hearing crystal rhythms beat. Rivers shimmered down below, mirroring the magic glow. Every step felt light and bright, gliding softly through the night. Crystal path was pure delight. London Bridge transformed one day, crystal path in soft array. Shining arches glowing clear, sparkling lights from far and near. Children walked with careful feet, hearing crystal rhythms beat. Rivers shimmered down below, mirroring the magic glow. Every step felt light and bright, gliding softly through the night. Crystal path was pure delight. Row your boat through gentle tide, golden islands stretched far and wide. Sunlight danced upon the waves, guiding children to hidden caves. Every ripple shimmered bright, reflecting golden morning light. Birds above sang joyful tunes, floating gently through the dunes. and free, magic glimmered on the sea, golden island called with glee. Row your boat through gentle tide, golden island stretched far and wide, sunlight danced upon the waves, guiding children to hidden caves. Every ripple shimmered bright, reflecting golden morning light. Birds above sang joyful tunes, floating gently through the dunes. Every moment soft and free, magic glimmered on the sea, golden island called with glee. London Bridge began to shine, crystal forms along the line. Children gasped at what they saw, floating magic without a flaw. Stars reflected in each pane, glowing softly through the rain. Every step was safe and bright, guiding hearts through sparkling light. Bridges turned to dreams so sweet, lanterns glimmered at each feet. Crystal Bridge felt pure and neat. London Bridge began to shine, crystal forms along the line. Children gasped at what they saw, floating magic without a flaw. Stars reflected in each pane, glowing softly through the rain. Every step was safe and bright, guiding hearts through sparkling light. Bridges turned to dreams so sweet, lanterns glimmered at each feet. Crystal Bridge felt pure and neat. 5 little monkeys climbed the hill, baking banana muffin towers with skill, stacking muffins one by one, golden tops glistening the sun. Children helped with laughter loud, frosting swirled and chocolate cloud. Every bite a joyful cheer, magic spreading far and near. Towers tall and full of fun, scent of bananas in the sun. Banana muffin towers, we're done. 5 little monkeys climbed the hill, baking banana muffin towers with skill, stacking muffins one by one, golden tops glistening
Magic
in the
hiding
sun.
on every side.
Children helped with laughter loud, frosting swirled and chocolate cloud. Every bite a joyful cheer, magic spreading far and near. Towers tall and full of fun, scent of bananas in the sun. Banana muffin towers, we're done. Packed a cake, baker rolled with cheer, Sweet Mallow kitchen was finally here. Marshmallow walls and sugar beams, candy windows that glowed with dreams. Frosty swirls danced in the air, every scent beyond compare. Children gathered round to see treats as soft as they could be. Warm aromas filled the room, banishing even the smallest gloom. Sweet Mallow kitchen was in full bloom. Packed a cake, baker rolled with cheer, Sweet Mallow kitchen was finally here. Marshmallow walls and sugar beams, candy windows that glowed with dreams. Frosty swirls danced in the air, every scent beyond compare. Children gathered round to see treats as soft as they could be. Warm aromas filled the room, banishing even the smallest gloom. Sweet Model Kitchen was in full bloom.
Marshmallow clouds drifted like rain.
Pat a cake built with candy sweet, sugary wonderland beneath their feet. Lollipops lined every lane, marshmallow clouds drifted like rain. Chocolate rivers curved and bent, gingerbread walls were heaven sent. Children played with eyes so wide, magic hiding on every side.
Lollipops lined
Every corner
lane.
full of cheer, softly glowing far and near. Sugary wonderland at their feet.
Children played with eyes so wide.
Pat a cake built with candy sweet, sugary wonderland beneath their feet. Lollipops lined
Sugary
every
wonderland
lane,
appeared
marshmallow
here.
clouds drifted like rain. Chocolate rivers curved and bent, gingerbread walls were heaven sent. Children played with eyes so wide,
Marshmallow
magic
clouds
hiding
drifted
on
like
every
rain.
side. Every corner full of cheer, softly glowing far and near. Sugary wonderland at their feet.
Pat a cake built with candy sweet.